Hi guys, Izzy is super excited because she's excited about this. That's why she's wearing her little hat. Our golden loot llama pinata. This is the elusive golden loot llama, but everybody's talking about it on the internet. And we took a unicorn pinata and transformed it into this golden loot llama, and we're going to show you how to do that in our next video, the one we post right after this. But then Izzy, don't get sad. She really is excited about busting this pinata open and getting all the treats inside. So anyways, guys, we did a lot of Fortnite DIY party things, the slurp juice, the loot llama cake, the cupcakes. We've done a lot of things, so make sure you subscribe and follow us as well so you can see what other craft ideas we have, and let us know what you want us to make in the future. All right, Izzy. She was so excited that she fell asleep.